boom. The thing goes grrr, pa pa ka 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 ka, skitty keep pa pa, and the poop poop.
Follow me.
Paintball? Yeah. They're probably seeing you guys there. Oh, yeah. Good shit. That was fun. Shit kicked my ass, man. Paint started flying forward. Yeah. It rained and all got yeah, you just want, I think
these guys got to go that way, though, so we won't go flank. We got to go crate. Straight crate, hold them down.
It doesn't seem that hard, because aren't they starting in that corner?
Yeah, they go start.
I feel like we can get this whole...
We got a couple people on the other side, though.
how far still? Just right there?
So, I mean, if we get there first, we cut them off. Get a lane, though.
So what, you want to run?
Running back here. Just go back here, run straight back, try to cut them off left.
I don't know. Did they add more to the map?
The boat.
I haven't been here in a while.
Hey, did they use part of World at War now? Did they make Uzi bigger? Yeah, where's the map? I forgot we destroyed. I have a picture. They're doing some construction on a field out there.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, yeah. So here's what.
Like a 5-year-old just went out. What's up, the Wild Things?
That D is amazing.
I will, but I don't play for you guys, but I will. So,
Hey, man, every sub counts. What's up, Yoshi?
What is up, boy?
A little toasty today.
Yeah,
PBX.
it's just a little hot in the sun. That's about it.
don't run in my street because I'm keeping that window. Just keep the second window. Don't go to the first one.
That's why we go open play. Right. They will let you beginners first.
They get in that way.
You think I have no time to hop on, man? You can go out. I mean, Vince, you see this one here? Yeah. Vince makes that. All right. So if you go on the other side of it, there's that little board that comes out. You get on that.
Everybody good? Everybody ready?
If you go in there, you got a lane so they can't get into that way. Mm-hmm. That's what the plan was. I was going to try that.
All right, both teams, listen up. This game will begin in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Hey, there's two of them straight ahead of me right here. One just got out.
Hey, you guys run up the white crate! Run up the white crate! White crate, right side!
Joshua's far right! Far right! Far right! He's shooting back!
Hey, wave right across from us.
Yeah, I know. There's two there. One at the boat, and another one on the right of that, at the white container.
hurt them. Sorry, Landon. Game over! Woo!
Hey, good kills, good kills.
Yeah.
Fucking busted 3 pods out there. Fuck.
Oh, fuck, my pod. Fuck.
Shit, baby, wild things. You already know.
Yee.
Wild things. First strikes coming straight at him.
Hey.
What's up? How'd you do?
Did good.
Nice.
Put some guys out back here from the windows.
Very nice. Yeah, it got hot and heavy in that boat super fast.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as you, I mean, people are laying in the windows now, right off the
Yeah,
break.
off the break for sure.